Do you love identifying patterns in price charts but find it too challenging and time-consuming? Introducing Patterns from TrendStrader, your ultimate solution for effortless pattern recognition. With TrendStrader Patterns, you can easily choose the period and the number of days for your pattern analysis. Draw the upper border to set your pattern's upper limit. Draw the lower border to define the lower boundary. Enter the accuracy level to match your specific criteria. And then execute your pattern search across the market. Find the perfect match for your trading strategy with ease. TrendStrader Patterns, making pattern recognition simple and efficient. Good luck!